gives it hyperness caffeine so it can bounce up and grow.
Kids and coffee normally don't go hand in hand, but at Madison Simus Elementary School, it's a key part of the curriculum.
I like coming out to the garden because I like helping the plants, seeing how they sprout.
DIGS, which stands for Discoveries Growing Gardens at Simus, has been a hands-on science-based gardening program at the school for 17 years. With the help of McDonald's, the school doesn't have to pay for or struggle to find coffee grounds for their gardens any longer.
The McCafe Gardens Growth Program is amazing for us because we've in the past had to hunt down where we're going to get our coffee grounds from.
Madison Simus is one of 130 schools across the state that has partnered with McDonald's to recycle their used coffee grounds. Arizona schools participating in the McCafe School Gardens Grow program expect to divert thousands of pounds of waste from going into the waste stream. Nationally, McDonald's has a Good Neighbor, Good Grounds program. Arizona restaurants are the first to partner with the Department of Education.
The average McDonald's produces 30 pounds of coffee grounds every day, 11,000 pounds of coffee grounds a year. And how can we keep that out of the landfills? Well, we can give it to the schools.
It's a win-win situation. It's beneficial to the environment and it makes learning fun for the students.
And just learning about how we plant.
In Phoenix, Elena Mendoza, Cronkite News.